Hi. Alright, in this video, we're going to talk about composite function, which involving that given a composite function and a function, and you have to find another function. So for example, in this question, they're giving you that the G composition f is to be 3x plus 4, and they give you that the function fx, right? Give you the function fx, and you're going to find the, you're going to find the function gx now. Alright, and you're going to find the function gx. So how to finding the function gx? Very simple. So you can use the techniques where you know that gfx, which is the input for g, and to be 3x plus 4, right? 3x plus 4, and fx is given. So fx is 2x plus 1, right? Fx is 2x plus 1. So you're going to let the fx to be a y, right? You're going to let y equals to fx. This is a technique where you need to find the gx. You want to find the second function, right? You want to find the second function given the first function. So the technique here, okay, this technique is only used when they give you the first function but not give the second function, right? So you're going to let y equals to the fx, which is y equals to 2x plus 1, and you change the x as a subject. So y minus 1 equals to 2x, and you know that x equals to y minus 1 divided by 2, right? Y minus 1 divided by 2. So, and you're going to replace the fx here with y, right? With y. So means that this is your fx, your y. So of course, this one has to, the x have to be in term of y, right? So x equals to y minus 1 over 2 plus with 4, right? Plus with 4. So you have 3y minus with 3y minus with 3 divided by 2 plus with 8 divided by 2. You equal the denominator. So then finally you have 3y, negative 3 plus 8, you have plus 5 divided by 2. So you have your g, you will have your gy as a dummy variable. So you're going to replace back the y with x, So you have 3x plus 5 over with 2. This is the result. And this is a technique of finding the second function given the first function. Alright? Okay, we will look for another example. Alright, this will be another example where they give you a composite function and another function, and you have to find another function. So we have to see what is the function that given, right? So it's given the g, right? Given the first function, but the second function is not given, right? It's not given. So it means that first function is given, the second function not given. So in this case, the technique is you're going to let y equals to the function g here, right? The gx. You're going to let the y equals to gx. This is a technique. So you have y equals to 2x minus 3, right? 2x minus 3. So, okay, if you don't want to rearrange this one, you don't want to rearrange that the y is 2x minus 3. So actually, in this question, it's quite clear that you can see that this one you will change become your y, right? This will become your y. So it means gx will become your y. And you can see that 2x minus 3 exactly is here, right? So it's very directly, you can see that 2x minus 3, and you can actually replace this whole thing with y, right? With y. So from here, you already can get the fx. You know that the fx will be 2 over square root of x. So this will be your answer. So as simple as that for this question. Okay, we will go for another example so that you have a better understanding. Right? Let's continue with this example. So given fx to be 3x minus 2, and hfx to be 2 over 3x minus 1 square. So find hx. Okay, the technique is the same because this is your given fx. So means given the second function, given this, but not given the given the first function. but not given the second function. So this technique, you're going to use the technique of letting y, right? Let y. So you're going to let y to be the fx. You let y to be your fx. This is a technique when the function fx is given, but the second function is not given. So you let y equals to 3x minus 2. So either you do some modification here. So I will tell you two ways. So y equals to 3x minus 2, right? Y equals to 3x minus 2, right? So y equals to 3x minus 2. So you have changed the x become a subject. So 2 plus y, or 3x equals to y plus 2, and x equals to y plus 2 divided by 3. So this is a common way. So you can the fx here, you can replace by y, right? Y. So once you replace this by y, you have to replace the x. You have to replace the x with y plus 2 over 3, so that you can, in terms of y, so you can replace as 3, x will be y plus 2 over 3 minus 1 square. So you will have 3 will cancel out. So you have 2 over with y plus 2 minus 1 square, right? Your hy. So your hy will be the same as y plus 2 minus 1. Y plus 2 minus 1, you will have y plus 1 square, right? Finally, you have find the hy in terms of y, right? So you can replace back the y as hx, which will be 2 over x plus 1 square, right? So this will be the, you're using this method to find the hx. Okay, another way you can doing this is a method 1, a common way, right? To be safe, you always do with method 1. So a method 2 is, if that's the question is easy, right? Easy, you can see that to relate. So you can do this way. See how I do. Hfx is equals to 2 over 3x minus 1 square, right? 3x minus 1 square. So as you know that your fx, you are still letting y. You are letting y equals to fx, which is 3x minus 2. But okay, you're going to replace this fx with, or you don't want to do it, is okay. You don't want to do it, is okay. So you can write fx here. So your fx is what? 3x minus 2, right? Fx is 3x minus 2, which is the same as 2. And this one you can generate by writing 2x plus 1 square, isn't it? Right? You see, 3x minus 2 plus 1, you are getting 3x minus 1. This is a smart way. So minus 2 plus 1, you get negative 1. So then you know that this is 3x minus 2, and this is 3x minus 2. So you're letting y equals to fx, right? Fx. So this is your fx, right? This is your fx. So you know this is your hfx, right? hfx. And this will be fx plus 1 to the power of 2, right? It's the same thing, right? So fx is also fx. So therefore, you can say that therefore hx, this is just like a y, hy, so equals to 2 over y plus 1, x. So this is x plus 1 square, right? It's the same thing. You try to you try to simulate so that you can get your hx. But this will be the best. If you don't want to take any risks, this will be the best. All right.